and welcome to this special episode of the Tyreman Unplugged. I'm your host Kenny Lim, and today we're spotlighting an event that brings together innovation, strategy, and community in the Thai industry. That's right, after a pandemic-induced hiatus, the 10th Tayaria Alliance Conference meeting by Kit Loong Tayaria is back, and it's better than ever. So, let's dive into this vibrant and inspiring event. The 10th Tayaria Alliance Conference meeting made a triumphant return at the Pavilion Hotel Kuala Lumpur in the heart of Bukit Bintang. Organized by Kit Loong Tayaria, the event spanned 2 days and brought together key stakeholders, industry leaders, Tayaria Alliance members, and potential dealers, with total attendance of more than 160 people to discuss trends, challenges, and opportunities in the tyre market. The opening night kicked off with an exclusive dinner at the Grand Imperial restaurant. Kit Loong Tayaria CEO Chen welcomed attendees with an inspiring speech, followed by awards for Best Performance, Best Cleanliness, and Best Google Review, showcasing excellence within the Tayaria Alliance network. Dealers also enjoyed a lively lucky draw with fantastic prizes. The second day focused on equipping leaders to navigate industry challenges. Talks included insights into the growing EV tyre market, driven by government sustainability goals and embracing digitalization to grow businesses effectively. Both internal experts and industry leaders shared strategies, and Kit Loong Tayaria provided updates on its dealer support initiatives and future plans. Highlighting the importance of adapting to change, Kit Loong Tayaria CEO Chen shared insightful strategies and perspectives for navigating the evolving industry landscape. Jacob highlighted that with 43% of Malaysians aged 20 to 45, this demographic represents a high purchasing power group critical to the tyre market. The number of registered vehicles in Malaysia has been steadily increasing, with projections for 2024 reaching 800,000 units. Factors such as government incentives, economic recovery, attractive new model launches, and the rise in BEV, battery electric vehicle sales, are driving growth. Despite PCLT tyre market contractions in 2023, -16%, and 2024, -4%, optimism remains for future growth, driven by overall high growth in car population. Jacob further highlights 3 key focuses for tyre industry growth. Number 1, ultra high performance UHP tyre segment. Data predicts a yearly growth of 11% in UHP tyres. Sales of 17 inches and above models projected to reach 50% of total units and 85% of market value within the next 5 years. Number 2, digitalization. Embrace digitalization to align with changing consumer behaviors and ensure competitiveness. Number 3, strategies to counter e-commerce competition. Jacob urges Tayaria Alliance members to prioritize innovation and adaptability. That's all for this special episode of the Tyreman Unplugged. The 10th Tayaria Alliance Conference wasn't just a gathering, it was a statement of resilience, innovation, and partnership. Kudos to Kit Loong Tayaria for setting the stage for growth in a rapidly changing industry. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media, and visit our website for more stories from the tyre industry. Until next time, I'm Kenny Lim signing off. Thank you for watching.